Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to wrap presents. So I just wrapped one right now, and it's a One Direction book. And I'm just thinking the creases and stuff, trying to creases. Oh, my head hurts. Yeah, it's done. So yes, that's it. Now what I need to do is I'm going to still take the other side as well. There we go. So there's a cute Christmas gift, and since it's something to do with One Direction,
yay, puppet!
I might put these cute, actually I will put these One Direction little cutouts that I did, and I just did these two so far. So I need to be...
Look, puppet!
Ooh, wow. So we're just cutting, I'm not sure what his name is, whatever his name is, yeah. I forgot the names I used to know. Liam, I think that's Liam. Ah, can't see it. This is going to take forever. I might have to end up doing part of it because I'm not allowed to upload things which are take too much time. And why do I have freaking pennies under the floor? Oh, fuck. I just got another fucking bit on my skin. Out. I need to just... Ah.